So today's clip is about our chapter 10 activity. This is about basic of computers in input or output ports. Now I'll be giving you some explanation of the function of the input and output devices. Okay, first on the list is the power port. The power port is a port on a computer or other electronic device that allows it to get power from a wall outlet and charge the device's battery if capable. Devices like desktop computers, which don't have batteries, cannot turn on without a power cord connected to the power port. Next in line is the keyboard port, or the PS2/2 personal system/2 port, also called the mouse port or keyboard port. It was developed by IBM and it is used to connect a computer mouse or keyboard to an IBM compatible computer. The PS/2 port is a mini DIN plug containing 6 pins and is still sometimes found on all IBM compatible computers. And of course, a keyboard is for putting information, including letters, words, and numbers into your computer. You press the individual buttons on the keyboard when you type, and the numbers keys across the top of keyboard are also found on the right of the keyboard. Third on the list is the Universal Serial Bus, or the USB. It is a common interface that enables communication between devices and a host controller, such as a personal computer or PC or smartphone. It connects peripheral devices such as digital cameras, mice, keyboards, printers, scanners, media devices, external hard drives, and flash drives. Next is the serial ports. Serial ports are used to physically connect asynchronous devices to a computer. They are located on the back of the system unit, either integrated or using a multi-port adapter, such as the 2-port or 8-port, 16-port, and 128-port asynchronous adapters. Next is a computer monitor. It is an output device that displays information in pictorial or textual form. A discrete monitor comprises a visual display, support electronics, power supply, housing, electrical connectors, and external user controls. Next in line is the game port. A game port is a device port which was available in most personal computer compatible systems. This input/output connector traditionally allowed users to connect gamepads, joysticks, or other compatible devices to provide additional functionality to the computer. Next is the computer networking port. Computer networking refers to interconnected computing devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. These network devices use a system of rules called communications protocols to transmit information over physical or wireless technologies. Next on the list is the telephone network port. The telephone network port is an integral part of computer communications. Data, instructions, and information are transmitted over the telephone network using dial-up lines or dedicated lines. S-video cables. S-video cables are used to transmit only video signals over a cable by dividing the video data into a color and brightness signal. A mouse. A mouse typically controls the motion of a pointer in 2 dimensions in a graphical user interface GUI. The mouse turns movements of the hand backward and forward, left and right into equivalent electronic signals that in turn are used to move the pointer. Next is a parallel port. A parallel port is an interface allowing a personal computer or PC to transmit or receive data down multiple bundled cables to a peripheral device, such as a printer. The most common parallel port is a printer port known as the Centronics port. A computer speaker. A computer speaker is an output hardware device that connects to a computer to generate sound. The signal used to produce the sound that comes from a computer speaker is created by the computer's sound card. Next on the list is the microphone. Like today, I am using my device's microphone. It is used to convert sound waves into electronic waves or input the audio into computers. It captures audio by converting sound waves into an electrical signal, which may be a digital or analog signal. These processes can be implemented by a computer or other digital audio devices. Third to the last is the telephone line out. It's alternatively called audio out and sound out, which the line out jack is found on computer sound cards. It allows external speakers, headphones, or other output devices to connect to the computer, transferring computer generated audio to the devices so that it can be heard. Second to the last is the FM reception or the frequency modulation. It is a technique or a process of encoding information on a particular signal, analog or digital, by varying the carrier wave frequency in accordance with the frequency of the modulating signal. Lastly, we have the cable TV. It is the port where cable television is a video delivery service provider. It is provided by a cable operator to subscribers via a coaxial cable or fiber optics. Programming delivered without a wire via satellite or other facilities is not cable television under the Commission's definition. Thank you for watching this mini clip and hope that you learned from it. Share, subscribe, and of course, like it. Have a great day.